Although websites are plain text and you can create them with any text editor like Notepad, I don't recommend you to do so. It's better if you use a proper code editor. In this case, we're going to use Visual Studio Code, which is the most used one all over the world, and it's completely free. You can download it for Windows, Mac, install it, and you're ready to go. And also, I left a link at kairosplan.com in this basic web course. If you are watching it on YouTube, you will have a link in the description, so you can download all the resources and code we are going to create, so you can follow along with each lesson. So you go to this link, you go to code, download, and when you download it, okay, if you open this folder, extract, you will see here all the files we will be using, images, etc. You will have all the resources needed. So now you can open your Visual Studio Code, and the last step is to go here to extensions, and you're going to install an extension called Live Preview, so we can see the changes we are making to our code in real life. Okay, so it's this one created by Microsoft. It has this check right here, so make sure it has more than 6.9 million downloads. It's created from Microsoft, and you install it. Later on, I will show you how to use it. Again, you don't need all these tools. You can do everything I will teach you in plain text with Notepad or any text editor. But this way you will code faster and easier. So I really recommend you to download Visual Studio Code and download all the resources I left at GitHub.